ay naaayon po dito sa circular na ito?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
May I know kung saan po nagastos ng Office of the Vice President yung 125 million? Was it spent in accordance with the rules, regulations, and protocol on the expenditure or on the use of confidential funds? Nasunod po ba yun?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
When in fact, ilang beses na kami sumagot, we are fully cooperating with the audit process, and we are answering and filing our comments in all the cases before the Supreme Court. In fact, kung mag-file pa sila ng kaso pa, sasagutin namin yan.
As indicated sa accomplishment report po, na-liquidate naman po nila based on confidential expenses as required by the joint circular po, Mr. Chair.
If I may, alam naman po ninyo yung section 4.8 of Joint Circular number 2015-01
yes, Mr.
on the
Chair.
use of confidential funds.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Now, categorically, yung po bang items na kung saan ginamit yung confidential funds ay naaayon po dito sa circular na ito?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Kung naaayon sa circular na ito, bakit kayo nag-issue ng notice of disallowance?
Mr. Chair, as to yung first finding, meron po kasing specific requirement ang joint circular na document na hindi po nila na-submit or nag-submit sila pero hindi po sufficient siya to answer the requirement of the joint circular, Mr. Chair. Under the joint circular. As to the payment of rewards, the joint circular requires a document, the supporting documents evidencing the success of the information gathering. As far as the documents that they have submitted, we are not so far we are not satisfied with the documents they have submitted, so we asked them to submit the documents that would satisfy the joint circular. As to the provision of food and medical items, again, we ask them for an explanation since by themselves, food and medical aid appears to not fall under the expenses allowed by the joint circular. So we are asking for explanation on those items. And then, it's the same with traveling expenses, Mr. Chair.
Isa po sa mga napansin natin is the length of disbursement for the 125 million across the different quarters po. Meron po ba na information yung COA as to how how the disbursements were done in terms of the speed by which the disbursements were done? Like,
as long we were satisfied with the number of areas that they have served, so if we can average it based on that, the number of areas, I think it is possible to be spending the said amounts.
The Office of the Vice President is given 15 days to respond to the AOMs. I believe the first one has been responded to in April. So, meron na po bang response doon po sa August 8 na AOM?
Yes, Madam Chair, they have submitted their reply to the AOMs, and the audit is on the compliance is ongoing.